All right, we're gonna show you the best bakery in northern Colorado. Oh yeah. Best bakery time. Take two, we're out of gas. I'm gonna take the Subaru. All right, back to it. Best bakery in northern Colorado, I think.
I think too.
Okay.
It's very fabulous.
What about the French one here?
Oh, geez. Okay, maybe the best bakery in northern Colorado. We will tell you later.
We made it to the bakery.
Yay, Rise Artisan Bakery Shop.
Chocolate croissant. We got our pastries. Yum, yum, yum. Dad and Abby got a sandwich to share.
It's literally massive.
And Mom's, she got a cinnamon popover, right? Very tasty.
It's very poppy.
Yes.
It's poppin'.
Jalapeno. So yeah, it's really good bakery. If you're ever in Berthoud Rise Bakery, it's pretty awesome. It's got amazing pastries,
They're literally so
popovers,
big.
coffees.
They're good.
Their breakfast sandwiches are really good. They put them on like a pretzel roll. So yum. And yeah, coffee too.
Lily, what do you rate
Oh,
I
didn't know we were
the tastiness?
the tastiness?
Yes.
You mean the noms? The noms
Yes.
rating, 10 out of 10 would be like a 7.5.
It's out of 5.
Out of 5? Okay, let me review it. I rate the noms rating like 8.
Nice.
A 5 out of 5.
Yes.
It's very, very yummy.
Very
and the
yummy.
vibes rating was also 5 out of 5 because it's just so cute. It's very cute. Don't you
Yes.
think so, Dad?
I agree.
Tell us about your pastries without using the word delicious.
Ooh, without mine was really
It was
yummy. I think the sandwiches were really good. It was like because they got the
Really good.
creamy and spicy, and they're salty, but not too salty, and bacony, which makes everything better. Bacony.
And I had a cinnamon popover. It was very cinnamony.
Very nice.
I'm gonna give coffee a 3.
We're coffee snobs.
We are coffee snobs, and I think you have to be coming here when it's outside on a day like this because it's beautiful.
Yes.
But there's indoor seating's not a ton, but it's super cute inside, and lots of dogs.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that dog is so cute. There's lots of doggies. There's a little long-haired wiener dog over there, and it's really...
It's like a Heidi dog.
Yeah.
Well, we got some food to go.
Oh, it's tasty.
And it was awesome. You guys liked your stuff?
It was very yummy.
All right, so super cute town, super cute place.
Definitely check it out.
Yep,
if you're in
yum
the
yum. In Berthoud, Hidden Jewel. Out.
I'm gonna go write a million songs if that's the way to be.
We are obsessed.
Maybe not. I don't want to vlog anymore. You're making it very cringy. I'm done vlogging right now. Okay?
Thought you were going.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, we're done at this place.
Rise Bakery, we got some to go.
It's super
And
yummy.
super yum.
So cute.
So cute.
And
Giant chicken!
It's huge.
oh, giant chicken part of the show where we look at a giant chicken. Drive forward to see the giant chicken.
We will.
All right, so we're looking at a giant chicken now. This is what the vlog has come down to. Zoom in on the giant chicken. Anyway, so chickens and
Bakery.
chickens and bakery, coffee, and oh, I just spilled it on myself. Oh, but it was good coffee.